G'day! In today's video I've got an iPhone 12 Pro Max and I want to replace the loudspeaker in this one as I suspect that it's faulty. The hardest part of getting in with this job will be getting into the phone without damaging the screen and the display. So I've had it sitting on my blue heat pad here at 70 degrees Celsius now for quite some time, so it's gotten very toasty and that's pretty much too hot to touch. Gonna have to take out the pentalobe screws at the bottom, down the bottom here, which is the same on all iPhone models. So take that one out. This one out too. Put that aside. There may be more than just a loudspeaker going on, but this seems to be perfectly functional apart from it not ringing and multimedia not playing through the bottom speaker. It could potentially be the charging port, but for now I'm just going to go with the assumption it's the loudspeaker and give that a try first, as that one is relatively straightforward before we go into the effort of a charger port replacement. So what I'm doing here is putting some isopropyl alcohol around the outer perimeter, which in turn should soften the adhesive, and with the softened adhesive I should be able to pry in. So I like to stick it dead flat and fold up. But I'm able to see a crack just expand from there. Luckily it's on the tempered glass, not on the display. So that is lifting out a bit easier than it originally anticipated, which is good. Hopefully it's doing the same for you. But as I said, this is going to be the most challenging part here. Getting this out without damaging it is a bit of an art. There we go. So the isopropyl drying up, I'll just apply a bit more. I'd rather oversaturate it than undersaturate it, as when it's oversaturated it will evaporate. When it's undersaturated you run the risk of damaging the display because it will still be gripping in certain spots. A bit more down here too. That is looking like I'm nearing. There we go. Now it folds over to the left. And hopefully, there we go. One unstuck screen. So from there I can fold this over. What I'm looking at replacing, I'm not gonna, with the phone switched off, being a speaker, we're going to be pretty safe in swapping that with the battery connected. So I'm going to prop up the screen on here so it doesn't roll around anywhere. And then I'm going to proceed to try and untake out this section here. Now, I'm not 100% certain on what we need to do here, but we'll figure it out as we go. I'll use my little screw holder here just to make sure stuff goes in the right place. So far, so good. Go. Hopefully with just that we can get in there. Try and lift it up. We do have some adhesive just on here. Fold that over. There we go. And that's one loudspeaker. And compare it with the new one or the replacement one. Pretty much looking basically the same. We'll just bend out this pin here. There we go. Line it up, drop it in. I'm already seeing one key difference. Just a little bit here. Don't know, there we go. Okay, that comes off. Stick that onto the new one. Go. And now from here, we'll proceed to put these screws back in. There we go. That's replaced. Out with the old, in with the new. Should be able to fold it over like a book once more. And this adhesive's still going to be very tacky for me. So I'll just start here. Slowly pinch it as I work my way around. There we go. Screen's back in. Now we should be right to put the screws back in. And should be good to go from here. Anyway, I hope this helps with your iPhone 12 Pro Max loudspeaker replacement. Hopefully that's your solution too. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.